Hello guys, welcome back to your Pentesters Club. Today we are going to discuss about scan a target network using Metasploit. So, what is a Metasploit? Metasploit framework is a tool that provides information about a security vulnerabilities in the target organizations or systems and aids in penetration testing and ID signature development. It facilitates the task of attackers, exploit the writers and payload writers, and major advantage of the framework is the modular approach, that is allowing a combination of any exploit with any payload. So now let's see, we can we can go here. So I open a terminal, you can type service PostgreSQL start. We need to give the permission. Yes, we have given. So now you can type msf console. So once we have come here, so we need to check the database DB status. We check PostgreSQL selected but no connections, but we need the connections. So for this, what we need to type is here exit, then you can type msfdb init. So we need to run on root sudo su, then enter password msfdb init. So the database is already started. So now we need to type service PostgreSQL restart. So it will restart the PostgreSQL. Now you can type msf console. So now we got it msf console. So now you can check db status. So now you can see connected to msf, connected type PostgreSQL. So now what we need to do here is we need to type here like nmap pm a x test, and I use my local IP 0 by 24, and you just hit enter. So it will take some time, let's be patient. So now it's came everything here. So what we need to do here now, we need to type db underscore import test. So it will import all the testing results. So it's successfully imported. So now what we need to do is we need to type db services So the db services command is deprecated. Use the service instead of with a host. So we need to type search port scan. So we need to use the port scan is port scan. So we need to type use 6. So the scanner port scan it's came. So we need to type like show options. So we need to set up all this here. So first of all, we need to type set interface equal to 0, then set ports 80, set our hostess, that's the IP address which we was used 0 to 23, that's enough. Set threads is 50. So now you can see show options. So everything is set. So now I can directly type a run. Now this will need to get TCP opens or anything else. Let's see. Because I'm using a local host to get this work, so I think it's take a bit more time. So we can see 1 or 2 minutes either it will come or not. So it's taking much time. So yes, yeah, you can see now scan 24 of 24 hosts 100% completed. Auxiliary module executed completed. So that's it. So because I'm using the local host, you can try with your own domain. Okay. So now we need to type back. Now I can type search the port scan. Now I can use a TCP. TCP also same thing. Use a file. Then type a show options. You need to set up here also an options. You need to set only the R hostess, and the IP addresses. So just keep it 221, then just execute this one, run. So we need to wait here some time. Let's see what any results will get or not. So now that we have determined that the active host of the target network, we can further attempt to determine the OS sec. So now you can see 100% is completed. It's only the active one. So now you can type it back. Now you can type search port scan. So you can use all various methods, and you can give your own values of the IP address and port address and everything. Then you can try it your own, guys. So this concludes the demonstration of gathering information on open ports, a list of services running on the active host, and information related OSSEC amongst other. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.